Jai Sriman Narayana. The following commentary I am about to give is by Ramanujadasa Sriman Gattu Venugopala Swami. Chapter 1 Arjuna Vishada Yoga Sloka 42.
Sankaro Narakayaiva Kulagnanam Kulasyacha Patanti Pitaro Hyesham Lupta Pinda Udakakriyaha Om.
Arjuna is saying to Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Krishna, because of participating in this war, all the dynastities will be ruined, which in turn all dharmas will be ruined. Dynastities, classes, races will all succumb to adharma. Then those coming generations will become deprived in performing prescribed rituals, and for all of this we will become responsible. We will experience the worst hell, and not just us, but the upcoming generations will also experience the worst hell. And because the coming generations become deprived in performing prescribed rituals, the departed ancestors also get deprived of their offerings of food and water. And even if they do perform offerings because they were done unethically, the offerings of food and water do not reach the departed ancestors. And because of not receiving offerings, the departed ancestors will have to remain in hell, and they will become corrupt as well. And for all this, we will become responsible, right? This is what Arjuna was saying to Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Through this sloka, the message and lesson we should understand and obey is that we should respect and practice the traditions and rituals passed down from our generations, and let us give offerings of food and water to our departed ancestors.
Sankaro Narakayaiva Kulagnanam Kulasyacha Patanti Pitaro Hyesham Lupta Pinda Udakakriyaha Om. Sankaro Narakayaiva Kulagnanam Kulasyacha Patanti Pitaro Hyesham Lupta Pindodakakriyaha Om. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.
The entire essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is given by Sri Krishna Paramatma in chapter 18 slokas 65 to 70 to do 8 things. Sri Krishna says, I love those who follow these 8 things. I will protect those devotees in all kinds of ways. After listening to all of Bhagavad Gita spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma, Arjuna says, Karishye Vachanam Tava, which means, Krishna, I will do as you say. This is why Sri Krishna has bestowed Arjuna all kinds of successes and victories. Let's give Paramatma our oath that we will observe these 8 actions. There is no puja, tapas or yajna that is greater than giving this word to Paramatma. I will say these 8 oaths we should make. You all please think this in your mind and heart. In this way of us giving Sri Krishna our word, let us all visualize Sri Krishna's face beaming with joy and feel bliss. Jai Shriman Narayana. These are our 8 promises. O Sriman Narayana, as you instructed, I will always meditate upon and think of you. O Sriman Narayana, as you advised, I will always be your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I will perform all my actions as service to you and for your satisfaction. O Sriman Narayana, as you said to follow, I have great faith that I belong to you and I will always join my hands together and do namaskaram to you and worship you. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Mam Ekam Saranam Bhraja, that you said to surrender to you alone. Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Ma Suchaha, that you are giving us reassurance to not grieve. I shall no longer grieve. O Sriman Narayana, you have graced and blessed us all by delivering Srimad Bhagavad Gita for our sake. I promise to read or listen to at least one sloka daily. O Sriman Narayana, you delivered Gita to all humanity. I will try to spread your divine words in Gita to those devotees that are unfamiliar with Gita. We just made our 8 promises to Paramatma, giving Sriman Narayana our word each day that we will do as he says itself is a great puja. Let's give him our promise with our unshakable faith. O Sriman Narayana, I will do as you say, I will behave as you wish, and I will work only for you. Sriman Narayana, Karishe Vachanam Tava, which means, Sriman Narayana, I will act according to your instructions. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam Astu. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let's spend 1 minute daily and read Narayana Astram. In order to obtain Narayana Astram, go to Narayana Astram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayana Astram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads or listens to their Narayana Astram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Sotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Shriman Narayana.